Simple living taught me the subtle distinction between knowledge and wisdom and how understanding the two is vital to a successful and thriving life. Knowledge helped me get ahead in life through the fruits of my own sincere skill and hard labor. Wisdom, on the other hand, has given me the grounded strength to carry me through some of life's difficult challenges with grace and inner peace, to be able to finally reconcile my past and lay it to rest in peace. For I would not be who I am today if it weren't for life's past experiences. All I had to do were, firstly, open up the mind without judgment. Secondly, seek to listen, seek to uncover the truth. Lastly, put it together. In today's video, I share how I went about achieving these. Hi there, Simple Vegan Being here. Nice to have you here on life's journey of self-discovery. Firstly, open up the mind without judgment. Understanding the following is the first step to opening up the mind without judgment. My understanding of the point of the intellect is to become knowledgeable towards gaining wisdom. In the modern day and age, knowledge has become something completely different. Excellence in intellect or skill, talent, but lacking in wisdom is like a shallow river without depth. Indigenous tribes across the world are often perceived to be intellectually lacking or backwards in advancement. But in reality, these tribes are actually the most wise, as they understand that we are but a tiny part of a wholesome and intricately connected system. Unless each part, cogwheel, spins in that entire system, the system will clog up and slowly start to stop working and eventually fail. I am part of this ecosystem, this planet, the 8 billion of us. I am nature and nature is me. Until I consciously decide to learn without judgment, the massive system that I am a tiny part of will continue to teach me lessons a difficult way. Understand this to understand all. This is the foundational brick of wisdom. Knowledge may be power, but wisdom is true strength. Secondly, seek to listen. Seek to uncover the truth. Now that the mind is open to listen, seek to uncover the truth, to dig deep and get to the bottom of it, the root cause. Until we get to the bottom of things, the hard cold facts, we cannot solve anything, let alone our problems that life will constantly throw at us. If something can be proved otherwise, then is it truly a fact? Lastly, put it all together. Once I had humbled myself and understood to root cause, to distill the facts from the muck, final step was to put it all together towards creating less problems for myself. Once I was able to discern the facts, which made me realize what is as is, I started to be creative in my solutions, to work in congruence with what is as is, instead of going against things constantly, which just did not work. What are your thoughts on these? Would love to hear from you in the comments below. Thanks heaps for being a part of the Simple Vegan Being community. Till next week, plant strong, animal love, planet peace.